talking a lot today about the snow throughout our viewing area. This is some video that should look familiar to you, right, Richard Scott?
Yes, that is in my backyard. A little earlier this morning, I got to see some of the snow flying around. We had an incredible snow burst in northern Tuscaloosa County. I live up close to Lake Tuscaloosa, a little further north of the city of Tuscaloosa. But look at the snow there.
Oh, pretty.
Incredible, Lynn. And one good thing out of that, we didn't have any major accumulations in our area and no travel issues out of that. So that's one good thing, Lynn.
Nice. We'll take that.
Yeah, we'll take that. Let's go live on the Walk of Champions, University of Alabama campus, and check out things now. One good thing you see, the streets are wet, but they're not icy. We got some rain and some snow falling in the area right now. In fact, most of the activity falling in the Tuscaloosa area is what we call snow grains. It's very tiny snowflakes. Almost looks like a tiny sleet pellets or tiny raindrops. But if you walk out there, you will certainly notice that. Let's go back over to the maps and check out radar. Notice what's happening here. We got the initial snow band. You saw some of those big snowflakes, looks like cotton balls earlier today. That's now in East Alabama, weakening pretty fast. West Alabama, while there's still some snow out there from Tuscaloosa points north, this again, those very tiny snow grains are not large and they will not cause any accumulation. That will end, I think, over the next several hours. Watching a band of snow back in North Mississippi, that could swing in here, but it will be light enough to prevent any major accumulations tonight. But we are still concerned about some accumulations for North Alabama. Still got a winter weather advisory that will likely be dropped in the next several hours. For much of north and central Alabama. I think the better chance for having accumulating snow will be in this zone from about Coleman to Gadsden to Anniston. Could get about a dusting to possibly as much as 1 inch over the next several hours as some of that snow continues in northeast Alabama. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and points south, just talking about a few flurries for the evening hours into the overnight. Then that will come to an end later tonight. One thing we're concerned about is the air temperature now dropping below freezing. Areas like Birmingham, 32 now. Coleman at 28, and again, areas to the north of Interstate 20, I'm concerned about some of the bridges and overpasses. They could have some ice out there tonight and early tomorrow morning, so be careful on those roadways. Even if you don't have any snow accumulation in your area, some of those bridges could ice up. Still some flurries tonight. Temperatures dropping below freezing. We'll hit those upper 20s at midnight. Major storm system moving up the east coast now. Washington, D.C., certainly the target of that. They could see upwards of 2 feet of snow, possibly more than that, over the next 24 hours. Our focus will be the cold weather for tomorrow. So we're going to Sunday, and Monday gets a little bit warmer. So forecast tonight, snow showers ending tonight. Notice though, the low temperature 28, that's concerning. Some of those bridges and overpasses, primarily north of I-20, could have some slick spots, so be careful tonight. 39 tomorrow, decreasing cloud cover. It's going to be a cold day tomorrow, but Sunday starts warm back up after a cold start to the day. Low 50s on Sunday, 60s on Monday, then some rain on Tuesday.